The night I turned 18, I was told I had to leave my group home, and no one at the group home cared that I didn't have anywhere else to go.
That's the plight of most foster children. Kevin West lived on the streets the first year and a half after he aged out of California's foster care system.
Today, foster care youth who age out at 18 or 19 often face overwhelming and challenging situations such as homelessness, addiction, and unplanned pregnancy.
Assemblymember Jim Beall is fighting to change that and give foster youth the chance to make good lives for themselves. Beall authored Assembly Bill 12, which would provide transitional support for foster youth up until the age of 21.
In states that provide the kind of support proposed by this bill, AB 12, the outcome for foster youth have been dramatically improved. So this is a proven solution.
Crowds gathered at the state capitol in support of AB 12. Those familiar with the foster care system know transitional housing for these young people is critical because they don't have a family to turn to for help. Assembly Speaker Karen Bass has been an advocate for foster kids for years and is a co-author of AB 12.
And just think of the fact that our kids can bounce back and we can take care of them, but what happens to a foster child who reaches the age of 18, doesn't even necessarily have the opportunity to attend college, and they have no place to bounce back to? Well, just like our kids, foster youth need a safety net, and this legislation will allow us to extend that safety net to the age of 21.
AB 12 is a win-win for our foster youth, our community, and our pocketbooks. Last fall, the federal government passed a law that would provide matching funds for this type of program. Combine that with the money saved by keeping these kids out of California prisons and other institutions, and the state will save money and young lives. Kevin is one of the lives that's already been saved. After being homeless for a year and a half, his story gets brighter.
The transitional living program really helped me turn my life around and allowed me to get on my feet. But the truth is, for most foster youth, these types of programs are few and far between, and many of them never recover from being thrown out on their 18th birthday.
Kevin is attending college and plans to become a social worker. If AB 12 becomes law, all of California's foster youth will have a chance to learn life skills and become more productive members of society. This report was produced by the Speaker's Office of Member Services.